sneaky. It's 97, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like a new old bike for an old new bike. Yeah.
There's a smaller one lives inside that pipe. Lovely little bike though. Look at the front brake, Jerry.
I you know, that front brake is
double-sided
really nice
twin-leading shoe. That's what you call a brake.
The entire front end now would look very nice on that AGS 500 I have at home.
No, it looked better on my rocket.
I had just a bit of a mishap.
Nice family outfit there. What's that bike, Ben? Building in there. That's a double adult cycle like you've never seen before. Two chairs in there. Amazing, isn't it?
Take your car on holiday.
See the exhaust either side, look.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I suppose the leprechaun's there to well out if you get a puncher. I don't know, I think it's what do they call them? Oh Christ, there's a name on them, I can't think what it is. I'm sure they're water cooled though.
It's got to be, yeah, it's got huge, it's got rabbit across it.
Yeah. I wouldn't like to be paying for it. Brilliant. What is that one actually? Oh, it's the mealy. Yeah. Bring it on. That's one of the Bonneville type ones, isn't it? I think they made twin.
That's a twin,
I think it's the twin, yeah.
I can't see a third part.
That's
It's quite a motor.
that's the one they made for the American market, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, could be.
I think. Wouldn't be sure. Nice thing though. It's a beautiful little bike. Very nice. Just a general look around, you can see how many's here.
It's got nice lines, that one, isn't it?
It has, it's very nice.
Isn't it?
God, there's a massive crowd here today.
Programming is manoeuvrability, isn't it?
Exactly, yeah.
You know, how can you do something that way? Whatever it's
Spokes go to the side of the rim, so you know tubeless tyres. He's got Rossi's number on it, but I don't think Rossi's here. Couldn't make it, he said, with the frost on the road. New BMW. They're supposed to be wicked fast. I bet, yeah. 4-cylinder, I think, isn't it, across the front. He's one of them. I think it's two completely different BMWs here. These are something else, aren't they now?
Oh yeah, exactly.
But that's definitely kind of away from the usual BMW straight thing down there with the kind of cogs on it. That's for the anti-lock.
Oh right, yeah.
See it in the middle there?
Yes, yeah.
That's the anti-lock mechanism. Right. Lovely bike, though. Would you invest in one of them, Tom?
Eh?
Would you invest in one of them?
Yeah. I love it.
It certainly is nice. I don't know what kind of money they are. I suppose they're... The car park and the road's full up there, the other side as well now. There's the star with his flag getting ready for the off.
But you said they never really sold very well though.
I've never seen one before.
No, I have no idea.
I don't know what model it is, or a bit, I don't know what. They're all getting ready for the off now, it shouldn't be long.